but my head is so strong. By the end of my day,
haba ng tulog mo. That's how you sing.
won't you help me sing songs of freedom?
Wala kasi nakarami na kami sa amin.
All I ever
Ano ba yun,
had
This ain't assumption. This ain't assumption.
anticipated tremendous slavery. Homes out of slavery of mine. Oh, another energy. It's time to get started to die. I'm gonna get up with the best. Finally stand beside it.
It's all I ever heard. The same assumption. Within assumption.
It's songs of freedom.
Ano pala eh?
Songs of freedom. Slavery, none of ourselves can free our mind.
The idea of Jah in the picture, tinagay sila yung lion. Eh, kasi na yung lion, di sila sino ba si Jah? Di ba kaya ay na Jah? Yung Jah ang lapis Jah.
Alam mo, yung pupuputa ng ulo mo dahil ako tagayawag ng salita eh.
Irie, Jah.
Ari, habla con aja. Chara, continua aja. Chara, continua aja. Ari, Paula, continua aja. Chola, continua. Chara,
Nangino na yung Chinese.
Ay,
Give thanks to the Lord.
the Lord is Lord.
Irie, Jah.
Ari. Habla español.
Maganda yan.
B minor na lang ko lang. Tapos A minor.
Sheda.
No woman, no cry.
Yes, ma.
No
Woman, no cry. In the sun, the airport plane. That we share the gold that we go this time.
mga kailangan ni Babate kaya mga ganang-ganang.
Shall we play this again? Yeah, yes, ma. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. No woman, no cry. Woman, no cry. It's the cold and the cold. How will they see this job? In this apartment, this is the Gophers de la Garden.
And the river is flowing. People are dying.
Yeah.
are living in the same place. They all gonna be drowned. No woman, no crying. So what about the girls?
Indiano po talaga. Naging Bombay.
The girls are always fucking asking every now and then for the money, for the paper, for everything they need. You know, they need house and lot, they need car. It's all expensive. We don't have any money. They do 5, 6, and what we gonna do? We don't have money. But they want is like fucking have sex. That's all I want. They have sex, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. That's what I want. But the girls keep on asking after that. You know, they're looking for the money, they're looking for the kid. So of course you bought the car. You know, same like him. He has a car. We don't have a car. I don't have a bike. I don't have either anybody else. You know, that's how I'm living. We're Indian. The Indian belong to the Indian. We don't care about whoever they are. It's all about the Indian.
Ja. You're right.
You're right. Thank goodness ko na ganito ginagawa.
Right.
Yes, man.
Ay, Porja! Ayre!
Porjaro. Badja.
Porjara!
Rivers of Babylon. I remember
Maganda yun,
what
no?
we used to say.
The rivers of Babylon, let us be and song. It will, in the hood of Zion. This meadow, shining eastern in September. Isang ganang, ististin on the rastas ng ginatureya. Sige na ka! Sige na ka mo na!
Naging Bisaya eh. Papuli na ga!
Ang ano niyo. Sige naman, pero ganito ginagawa.
In the river of Babylon, there is a sun.
Durod. Alam mo na yun. Are you gonna be so good?
Rasta. Esma. Sa aming bayan ng Cotabato, laging nagkagulo mga tao doon. May binobomba, may nakabomba. Hindi mo mamalayan kung sila'y nagbobombahan. Ang daming mga tao, mga siraulo, nagdadala ng cellphone, pagpindot, sumasabog ito. Ano ang gagawin ko? Gusto kong matuto katulad ng tao. Bakit nagkagulo ang buhay sa Cotabato? Sadyang napakagulo. Bakit nagkagulo ang buhay ng tao? Sa Cotabato, ako'y naglalakad, kasama ko ang lolo ko. Sinabi niya sa akin, huwag kang bibili nito, pero binili ko kasama ang bato. Ang lolo ko pala isang nagbabato. Nako, ang buhay sa Cotabato sadyang napakagulo. Sisiraan ka ng ulo.
Saan? Pasok.
Lolo ko, huwag kang magbabato. Mawawasak ang ulo mo.
Hasta din umur kiri dodo. Mungkin silada din panas din gopo. Duku bule doa dalin de godo. De panas de pote de panas jadi sadu.
Kala papalupa na italok.
Baliw ka!
Tindi nun, no? Tindi nun.
Pero pag-uwi nyo, mga nakangiti pa rin kayo pag natulog eh.
Ibang ride naman, ay ibang ride ba naman ba sa